The Golden Globes never fail to be one of the most glamorous nights of the year, and Zendaya flawlessly continued the trend. Today's episode of Clevver News Feed is brought to you by new Snickers Crisper. For new kinds of hunger, a new kind of Snickers. Hello everyone, I'm Jocelyn Davis coming to you straight from the 2016 Golden Globe Awards red carpet, where some major stunners have graced us with their presence. And right now, what do you say we take a look at a few of our favorites? It is no secret that Zendaya is easily one of our top favorites and a total queen / warrior, and man oh man did she slay on the red carpet. The 2016 Golden Globes brought out all the glitz and the glamour, and Zendaya did not hold out on the grace. She glided in a burgundy Marchesa gown detailed with a 3-tiered lace and floral print. The deep V dress came complete with 3 tiers, just like a beautiful wedding cake. Z's hair was styled in perfectly pushed back waves with a part all the way down the middle. And those locks were tucked behind her ears, perfectly displaying her drop earrings. The red carpet stunner's hands were complemented with a black Marchesa clutch and jewelry from Yoko, London, and Lydia, Courteile. Let's not leave out that flawless face though, featuring perfectly shaped eyebrows per the usual, and a gorgeous smoky eye and dark lip. No doubt Zendaya has that smize thing down pat. Always a class act. We love that Zendaya. Well, you guys, that about does it for us here at the 2016 Golden Globes. Hit the comment section to let us know who had your favorite look. And hey, we'll see you on the next red carpet. Bye, guys. Now click to the left to see the best OMG moments from the 2016 Golden Globes, or click to the right for a winner's recap. And before you go, thanks again to Snickers Crisper for sponsoring this episode. Click the link below for more crispy satisfaction.